Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having guys a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ with a hybrid engine or Energi engine. Now what's common between those? It's the same drivetrain guys, the same engine, same transmission has been used in all these three hybrid vehicles, MKZ, Fusion and C-Max. In this video today guys, we'll explain how to remove the upper engine cover. You will need to remove that cover for multiple things such as air filter replacement, MAF sensors to get to the engine, spark plugs, ignition codes, fuel injectors, all that stuff. You need to remove that cover. So all that will be covered in this video today. Now in addition, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. On this generation hybrid engine, we'll be making quite a few videos guys, so we will probably save you quite a bit of money if you subscribe. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts, tools for your Ford or Lincoln vehicle and you want to save money, even more money guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. I'll share it. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So first we need to go ahead, okay, and now we're going to get that hose clamp loose. Okay, you can see this one, you can use a flathead screwdriver or you can use guys, okay, a 7mm. So we need to pre-loosen that one. This is the one for the intake that goes to the throttle body. Let's go ahead, do that. This one will be step number 1. So we gently get it loose, more because it needs to jump a lip so it can come out. Okay, you can see it's working like that. Perfect. Now if you grab it, okay, it comes out. Now right here we might be able to remove it from here too, because that's a very hard pipe that we can break. So let's go ahead. Okay, we're going to disconnect it from here too. Okay, that one. Okay, you disconnect it like that, you go to the side, you pull it out. Here you have another one that we need to remove. A little bit of a complicated design. Everything is compact here, packed really good guys, so you have to be super careful. Take your time, because that's a hard pipe. There is a seal there, and if you pry on it too much you will break it. Okay, so let's go ahead, okay, and pull it out now. Perfect. Let's inspect the throttle body, in what condition it is. Okay, on the inside it's dirty guys, it's dirty. We'll have a special video that explains how to clean throttle body on our main YouTube channel, how to repair guys. Check it out, it's very important. If you develop symptoms of bad throttle body or you want to know the symptoms of bad throttle body, we'll have the video on the channel as well. So perfect, that one's ready. Now let's see. Okay, right here that connector needs to come up. Okay, that red thing needs to come up. You press here. Now unfortunately we have to remove, okay, there is electrical tape, okay, right here. Let's see if it's going to come out. Okay, okay, he did without cutting it. Perfect. So this one came out. Now that vacuum line, we need to pry that zip tie connector up. Okay, perfect, it came loose. Now that intake hose, that's for the air filter. Okay, let's see if this thing will come out. Okay, you can see kind of like here's a tooth right there. I need to just stretch it. No, it needs to come from like right here. Okay, perfect, came loose on that side. Now one more side. Okay, right here. Let's try to pull at the same time while I'm doing that. One second, not yet. Okay, this one will come out. Okay, let's see if it's enough. If it's not, what we can do here, there is 2 bolts that you need to remove, and it will remove that pressure guys. So you'll be able to just simply get it out right here. Okay, that bolt started spinning quite a bit. Looks like a long bolt. Okay, longer than I thought. One right here that we need to remove. Okay, this will not work that way. We'll need to get a ratchet probably, or without extension. Perfect. Great. Now we're going to go ahead. Okay, here it has a rubber seal, one here we need to lift up, and one right there that I broke loose. Now if we grab it, okay, let's see, on the back side we might have another seal, and gently start pulling that thing out. Okay, let me see where we are hitting now. Okay, perfect. And you can see that whole cover, okay, came out. You can see just like that. So you can see, guys, this is the engine cover. Doesn't matter if you have a C-Max, Fusion, MKZ, it's about that. And you can see right here now, you have the MAF sensor right there. Your air filter is located here. We'll have a video how to replace it. And if you keep looking there, guys, that's your engine. We'll be making videos about all that stuff. Okay, how to replace everything from ignition coils, spark plugs, variable timing solenoids, all that stuff as well. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having a Ford or Lincoln with a hybrid engine, that 2.0 hybrid engine. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.